When there is a service-affecting outage or upgrade on your network, you can use Vision's Network Event module to quickly and effectively communicate to those impacted. This video will go over a few ways to add subscribers to a network event, send messages out to the affected sub, and run reports for the event. To create a new network event, go to the Network section in Vision and click on Network Events to see all open and closed events in the system. To add a new event, click the floating action button in the bottom right corner. This will direct you to fill out a brief title and description along with any notes about the event so you can begin to document the issue and notify your subscribers that you are aware of the outage and are working to solve it as quickly as possible. Vision is a location-first system, so one of the easy ways to add subscribers to a network event is using a map. This can be either the homepage, base map, or the monitoring map. On the map, layer your subscribers. If you know the specific service areas that are affected by the outage, layer the service area shape to gather the subscribers by shape. Or, if not, click on the Select Data Objects tool to draw a freeform shape on the map to group the selected subscribers. This will populate the subscribers in the drawn shape. You can quickly add those subscribers to the network event by clicking Add Event and select the event with the outage. Another option to add subscribers to a network event is by adding the specific network hardware that is being reported as down. To add the hardware, first in the network event, you will need to click Edit Associations. This will bring up the list of options to add to the network event. Click Add Hardware. A window will pop up where you can select the warehouse and hardware that you would like to add to the event. For example, selecting a wireless tower's access point or a fiber cabinet's OLT. When adding hardware to a network event, you can select multiple types of hardware that are affected by the outage. This is the best option for Vision clients who have their subscriber level equipment tied to the network hardware. If you want to notify your entire subscriber base of a company-wide issue, you can pull a subscriber report. This can be done by going to the main menu, then select Operations and click on Subscribers. The Subscribers Report page will show the various reporting options. For the network event, the best report will be Current Subscribers. This report will generate a list of all your current subscribers that are in Vision. To add the list to the event, click Add Event, then select the network event you would like to associate the subscribers to. Now that the network event has subscribers or hardware associations added, an email can be sent by clicking the icon labeled Send Email. In the email prompt, you can write a new message or select a predefined template that has already been written. The template will fill in all the information and you'll be able to edit the message to best communicate the specific issue if needed. Additional options include adding an attachment or sending a test email before it goes out to subscribers. Subscriber account information can be pulled in to personalize the message as needed by selecting from the numbered list of dynamic variables. The final step is to send it off to subscribers. To send an SMS text message to subscribers through the network event, click the phone icon that is labeled Send SMS to Subscribers. The SMS message will only be sent out to the subscribers that have opted in a number on their account to receive these messages. The SMS message can be created or a template can be used. A test message can be sent to make sure formatting is correct. Once you are ready to send the SMS message to subscribers, you can click Submit to send the message out. The network event makes a report of each email sent to subscribers. The report will have a breakdown of how many emails were sent out and delivered, as well as how many of the emails were opened, clicked, or bounced. Each of the categories will also create a report to see which subscribers did or did not do one of the 3 track things in the email report. The email report will also give the option to view the email that was sent out. This can be used as a way to double check that the email was readable. It's exceptional customer service to communicate with your subscribers that you and your team are aware of the situation and working to fix the outage as quickly as possible. Don't forget to send out updates as needed, especially when the situation has been resolved. The Vision team encourages you to take advantage of the Network Events module of the system. Clients use it in many useful ways. To quickly communicate important insight directly to subscribers in the portal and to frontline coworkers who are answering subscriber calls. To document photos of network damage from storms, vehicles, shotguns, or construction equipment. To set up a step-by-step process using Vision's dynamic workflows to line out what actions need to take place in a network outage or planned maintenance situation. Please reach out to the Vision support team if you need any assistance or would like to learn how to get the most out of using the full capabilities of the available network event tools.